Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming connectivity and freeing resources, because most loading failures are network or memory related. First, verify Wi-Fi or cellular data is active and switch networks if needed. This isolates network issues. Once done, force quit photos and heavy background apps to reclaim RAM so thumbnails can render. Then check storage in Settings, low space blocks downloads, and update iOS if available. Newer builds fix image rendering bugs. These steps prepare the device for targeted fixes. Next, target iCloud sync, since missing images often live in the cloud but fail to download. You should toggle iCloud photos off and back on to force a reindex. Wait a minute or two for thumbnails to repopulate. If that doesn't work, inspect recently deleted and other albums for stuck files that consume allowance. Make sure your Apple ID is signed in. Signing out and back in can reauthorize downloads and repair sync tokens, so images begin downloading again. Finally, do deeper repairs if images still won't load. Reset network settings to clear bad DNS or proxy rules that block asset retrieval. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. If that fails, back up and restore the iPhone via Finder or iCloud. This rebuilds the photo database and fixes corruption. Once restored, check photos again. If problems persist, use iCloud, Com, or another device to confirm whether the files exist server-side. This one test tells you if the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.